Okay guys, so hopefully you can't really hear the construction, but I just had to go get my fingerprints done for a background check. It was this whole process, but anyways, then we went to Atlantic Station. We went to H&M and Forever 21 because I need some work clothes, and now we're about to eat some lunch, some salad, because health. It was so hard.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I'm busy.
So Courtney's cold, so we're going back to the car and we're gonna eat our salads in the car because it is kind of cold, but it's not that cold. It's cold.
Like right here?
Yeah, but the sun is iffy. It keeps coming in and out, so. Oh Lord. Let's just go back to the car.
30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the phone, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed phones on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good, just to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what?
Oh my God, where did it go? My nails keep popping off. That is so irritating. You know what? For the rest of this vlog, I don't care. I feel like my hair looks really crazy right now. Like, I think it looks cute. I just feel like I look crazy. But anyways, so I'm back home. I showered and everything, and I'm about to show you guys what I got while I was shopping. I had to get some like business clothes and stuff like that, so I'm about to show you guys what I got. So first, I went to Forever 21 and I just got some clothes, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got this t-shirt, not a t-shirt, this gray shirt. Looks like this. Super cute, super cute. So I got this. It's cute. It has like little, you know, guys, I don't know how to describe clothing at all. I feel like I should try these on to like show you guys what it looks like, but I'm not trying it on. So I got this. It was on sale. It was like $12. But that's a good price. And then I got 3 pairs of like dress pants. So I got these these were like $9. I got these like olive green dress pants. So they just go like that. They're just straight at the bottom, so I thought these were cute, and they have pockets in them too, which is actually like really nice. So like, I don't know. Oh wait, ha, psych. It's not a real pocket. It just looks like a pocket. It's not a real pocket. But anyways, it has fake pockets. And then I got just some basic more dress pants, you know, just cute stuff like that. And then I got just a basic white tank top to like wear under shirts and stuff like that. Oh, and I got this cute headband. Let's try it on. Because you know, like with these headband wigs, I'm like, I want to switch up my headband, so let's do it. This is cute. Oh, I got a big head. Y'all know I got a big head. Oh, snug. Because your girl's got a big head. Oh, it's actually really cute. I like this. It's cute. Okay. I like it. So I got that. That was like $4.99 or something. And then I just got another pair of dress pants. You know, basic dress pants. From Forever 21. I got everything in a size large. These were $14.99. My other ones that I got, the red, like these red ones, these were $17.99. And then these were $9. So that's what I got from Forever 21. And then I went to H&M. Ooh. And then I went to H&M and I saw this really pretty like lavender top. $5. This was originally $14.99 and it's really cute. It has like a turtleneck-ish type thing, but it's kind of oversized, but it's really pretty. I really like this color, and I normally just wear like black. If you cannot tell, I like wearing black a lot, but I was like, this is really pretty, so like I can wear this whenever. It's super cute. And then I got 2 like bodysuits. So this is a these are both $9.99. So I'm gonna show you. It's like a little bit of a turtleneck, but this one, a tan color bodysuit. And then I got one in black because I need like I don't really have like any black like turtlenecks kind of things, so I got the same one but in black too. So I'm pretty set with like the clothes that I have and everything. I think I'm good to go. But you guys know, actually I don't think I really ever talked about, no I have, my last job I worked at a swim school, so like I was always in the water, so I never like got to look, I don't want to say I never got to look decent for work, but like I was always like in a swimsuit, some shorts and a t-shirt. But now it's like I can actually like, for the job I have now, like I can actually like, I have to look presentable. Like I would go to work looking crazy in my swimsuit and my shorts and my t-shirt, but now it's like I gotta look a little bit more presentable for work. But y'all, I really like this headband. I should have got another one. This is really cute. It's white. I really like this headband wig, guys. So I don't have the details for this hair because it was actually my sister's, but she didn't really like the length of it on her, so she gave it to me. So I've just been rocking this hair for like the past week or so, and I really like it. Like, it's so easy. Like all you have to do is your edges So if you're like me who struggles still with like doing lace, this is bothering me, I need to fix that. If you're like me who struggles with doing lace and everything, laying the lace down and doing the baby hairs, headband wig is perfect because it's literally like, or half wig, like you can leave your hair out and do your edges and it looks very natural. Like this hair looks really natural on me, so that's the perks. And I really like this length. This is a 12-inch because I feel like this length like suits me. I don't know, I'm just talking right now. I feel like this length like suits me. It's like big and curly and that's what I love. I love me some big and curly hair. But that's pretty much it. I'm about to go downstairs. I'm gonna try to eat. So the salad that I had earlier, I don't know what is wrong with me, but it made me feel sick. Like it made my stomach upset. So I don't know if it was like the dressing that I got or if it was the chicken that was on my salad, but my stomach, we were not friends for a little bit. So I want to eat. I got sushi. Well, not really. I don't get like regular sushi. I get like California rolls. I have sushi, but I'm afraid to eat it because I'm afraid I'm gonna get sick, but I'm hungry, so I guess we'll see. But that's pretty much what I got. Oh, I gotta show you guys what I got from Ikea. Hang on. One of the things I got, this is not exciting, one of the things I got from Ikea was just a trash bin because I need one in my bathroom, or I've been needing a new one. So it's just white. It was like $1.79, $1.20, something like that. It was under $2. And then what else did I get? I got a lint roller. See, not exciting. And then I got wine glasses and I got this. I'm gonna show you guys when I go downstairs. It's like this. It's like a glass bottle, but like you can put like water in it, or like you can put your wine in it, and it's aesthetically pleasing to look at. So when I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys that stuff. But for real, that's pretty much it. It's probably like 7 o'clock right now. I'm really just gonna go downstairs, chill, and I'm probably gonna edit this vlog and upload it. So, but yeah, that was pretty much it for today. But I was up. I had to go get my fingerprinting done, and then we did some errands, you know, went shopping, and then went to Ikea, and then I came back home. And yeah, that's where we're at. That's where we're at for right now. Oh, I want to show you guys. I got a waist trainer. Hang on. I got a waist trainer. So I've never really used a waist trainer before. I've used more like a sweatband, like a sweat belt when I work out. But I got like an actual like waist trainer with like the clips and everything, and then it has the strap. What am I doing? The strap like that. So I guess I can put it on. I'll show you guys. So hang on, give me a second. I'll put it on and I'll show you guys like what it looks like. But I've never really waist trained before, but I didn't wear it today. But I'll probably wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna put this on and then I'm gonna show you guys. I got a size medium. At first I was like, oh my goodness, this is absolutely way too small. But I don't think it is. I think it fits perfectly fine. I'll show you guys like that. This is a very, very flattering angle, but that's what my waist trainer looks like. Let me show you guys. So this is the bottle that I got from Ikea that you can like put water in, or I guess wine, or like really whatever type of beverage you want. So this is super cute. And guys, look at this. Got this from Goodwill like last week. So we put like detox water in here, so that was cool. And yeah, but this is super cute. It was like $2.99 or something. So I'm gonna put some wine in here, and it looks really cute and like aesthetically pleasing. This is the sushi that I got. I got this from Publix, so I'm probably not gonna eat all this because this looks like a lot, and I'm still scared about my stomach. But I'm about to eat my sushi and then drink some wine, and yeah, I'm call it a night. But okay, guys, that's pretty much, honestly, gonna be it. I'm really up close and personal. That's pretty much really just gonna be it. My lips are dry. Ugh. That's gonna be it for tonight's vlog. today's vlog. You guys know what I'm trying to say. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I got my wine with the wine glass I got from Ikea, which is super cute. Just gonna chill. I'm gonna edit this vlog so that I can upload it for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like always, new videos every week. That's the goal. So far I've been doing it, but new videos every week. And also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Everything is linked down below. So I post a lot on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out if you haven't already. But yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.